The entire Kakamega County, I'm told most of the areas people have not voted. Koyonzo, I'm told, is on fire. I've just asked those people to cool down. I've been around most of the polling stations and I've told them to cool down. But I'm very disappointed because if they wanted, the opinion polls have been saying 2%. Maybe they meant it. Because why in my stronghold? I have not voted. Please switch off that phone, and if it rings again, I'll send you away. Then why should we vote for presidential elections if I'm the only one who has not voted? I'm told Raila has voted, right? Maure has voted. I've just spoken to him to congratulate him. Ruto has voted. Wajackoyah has not voted. Why? Is that really something that somebody has to question? Why Kakamega County? Why are these people afraid of? Why couldn't they test the kits? Why couldn't they test the kits? Does it mean if I don't vote, votes will be counted? Or do they want us to go to court? Go ahead, journalists. I'm not really happy, but what can I say? I was supposed to fly back this afternoon. I have to buy another ticket. And you know, from here to Kisumu is very far. So, my people are defranchised. The older generation have gone home. So who will come and vote if they make them? Why rig me out of this election? If the opinion polls have been saying 2% and I've got the entire nation with me, probably that's what they want to.